Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. And now that we have seen the sorting criteria of the browser, the different columns and the extra options in the menu, now it's time for the filter criteria, not just the sorting. So let's continue with precisely the same exact moment on Fowl course to learn this.
At this point, this is probably the easiest way to do this. If you want to, obviously, please cut the part with fiddling. If you want to filter by concepts, just use type. Okay. I cannot see many.
This is a use case that you don't want to sort actually, and then get the concepts. You want to filter anything that is not a concept. So all of the topics out, all of the tasks out, and all of the items out. You can actually do that, but he doesn't know.
Cases where you want to filter concepts, but where to do something difficult. So with this, you can filter by...
In this case, you have it's built in, items. So when you go to the menu, element window menu, and child, you can filter this. You have items. It's the same as this little icon, the purple L. Then topics. Again, you have the shortcut with the purple T. Then tasks and tasks topics, so both at the same time. What about concepts? Yes, this is true. There are no concepts options, but you can filter by concepts if you really want to. Just that you don't have an option here. And the filter is what we're going to cover in this video, which its key binding is F8.
Articles, extracts, or only if there is a...
We got those that you see, sources, articles, extracts, descendants. We will cover this on the incremental reading section of the course. So for now, let me continue on my collection. So on the view, by the way, on the view menu, in the element window, we have the view menu, and you have the shortcut already. Topics, items, and tasks. So you click on concepts, and that's it. Hey, that is the entire collection. I think he comes... So that's already what he wants. As easy as that, 2 clicks. That you wanted this from a specific branch, you can do that. Click, then child, and do you see the last option says branch? We'll filter by branch in the knowledge tree, and now I have to select. Instead of root, it would be, I don't know, cognition. I select cognition and I press enter. Do you see that in my cursor there's like a square? Okay, here you go. In this case, it's just another one. That by the way, it's the collection default concept now. That is cognition too. In case I had hierarchy, like I had before, I could see in science, neuroscience, all of the sciences. So I could filter that. It's an extra step, but again, I can get what Fowl wanted. So that has been useful because we already know all of this here, the 4 options, the branch, this I already know, outstanding, in my standing queue, memorized, so takes part of my learning. Pending, it is in the pending queue, the pale this color, the pale blue color. We'll filter those. And dismissed, the yellow ones. So if I click now dismissed, I just taken out the one that was, in this case, pending. And if I select the pending, I will only got the other one. See you in the next video.